Oh, this is a lovely, beautiful sister that came for the tour. So, sister, can you tell us more about yourself?
Okay. My name is Nadia. What else do you want to know?
Well, you're kind of person, for now.
The kind of person I am? That is relevant to this moment.
All right, tell us about your experience.
Okay. So this is my first time being in Africa, period. First time in Ghana, of course. It's been a good experience. I would say the best part for me, of course, well, the best accommodations was One Africa, because I'm a water person. I love to be by the beach, so that's why that works for me. So this has been awesome. It's been paradise. So it's definitely been a great experience. So yesterday we visited the castle, which technically is a dungeon, where the slaves were held, and it was something else. I think the part about it, which was crazy to me, was that the tour guide was like, a lot of African Americans do not come over here to see this, but a lot of other people do. And I just thought that was crazy, because other people are soaking in our past and everything about our ancestry, and we're not. So I think my message to everybody at home would be that get a passport, get a visa, get on the plane, and come to Africa. It doesn't have to be Ghana if you don't want it to be. But come to Africa so you know where to come from. Learn your history. And history is important. You don't know where you're coming from, you don't know where you're going. So that's pretty much my
Oh, that was
my take.
beautiful day from our lovely sister from Jamaica.
Yes, I am Jamaican.
Yeah, you didn't say that. But
Okay, so I am Jamaican, but I grew up in New York, and yeah, but Jamaican first, of course.
okay, well, maybe we could leave the rest for outside the camera, right?
Yes, that's all I have to share for today.
All right, thank you, my sister.